Viral video of our soldiers present condition don come out, my people. If una see where these people dey, in fact I no even know wetin to call am. They say na empty hall, but me I dey call am uncompleted building, because the thing, no bed, no place for them to even put their head, everything just dey anyhow. So abeg, I say I go bring am come una side, because now they dey ask for help, and me as e be like this, I no get help for anybody. So abeg, join me make we watch the video.
As you can see, this was where the soldiers moved in. Empty hall.
Empty hall.
One captain just came out from no angle. Call himself captain. What was that his name? Captain for follow? Is it Fala here? Be Fala what?
Empty hall.
Empty hall. Nothing is inside this hall. He chased all the soldiers out. This is Zamfara. One brigade.
I for like help these people, but I no get help. No be by wickedness matter, my people, because if I dey think of these people, the only thing wey I dey think of na toll gate. And up till now, we dey wait so that they go give us answer on who give the order. Me, I no get help. As una see me like this, I no get any help to give anybody. My help na for people wey dey fight the same fight wey I dey fight. People wey give una order for that Lekki toll gate, why una no go look for them na make they come give una help? If we start protest now against government, now una go still come outside come shoot us. So make una see, speak for yourself. Make una, you are adults, so all of una make una start dey speak for una self, because after this one now, if we help una go still come outside dey brutalize us. Una come outside brutalize us. I no understand why this life don't become somehow. If the work wey you dey do no dey pay, why you no resign? Now you dey come outside dey ask for help. If the thing wey you dey do no dey pay you, resign, drop the thing, because no be me send una go join army. Abi dey use glue una yansh, say una no dey go anywhere. Leave the place. If the thing no dey pay you, if the thing no dey work for you, leave am. As simple as ABC. My people, see, for this world where we dey, in fact, for this Nigeria where we dey, every malam get in kettle. Every malam get in kettle. So since una no wan use una head, una no wan get sense, una no wan think, make una continue the suffer for inside suffer when I dey suffer. As for me, I'm very busy, I no get help. Because if una get help for these people, make una help them. But I no wan know anything, because these people, they still dey owe us answers, they owe us explanation. In fact, many things. So anything wey you guys talk concerning them, abeg start dey drop am for that comment section. And yes, this Friday una go get the TV presenter wey I been dey talk about. No more guessing, no more assumption. This very Friday, so make una stay alert so that una go know who I dey talk about. And yes, I still wan know wetin una dey think. Drop am for the comment section, and no forget to share this video and click on that notification bell so that you no go miss anything wey I get here for you. Stay tuned for our next story. Man don baff him wife with acid. My people, this one dey come straight from Ghana. Acid dey hot, my people. As I dey talk to una now, we still dey on top this matter. Ask me why? Because we need to know wetin the wife do wey go warrant this kind wahala. But make I shock una first. First of all, I no know issue where these two people get. The man drive the woman comot. He say may leave him house, say he no do again. Plenty talk. So the woman too packing things, he go back to his father house. Una no know wetin happen next, my people. This woman dey in papa house. Okay, name na Florence, yes. She dey in father house, so the husband come pretend like say you don't repent, you don't change, you no go do am again. And so he come the father house, so start to apologize to the father. Say you no go do am again, you don't come back for your wife, my people. And so this woman enter bedroom. They say she been dey bath. Where I don't even know where the father can't go, whether he go kitchen or be go in room. I don't know, this man just sneak, enter the bathroom where this woman dey bath, pour an acid. As I dey talk to Nana, this woman, I bet put am. Hey. She's in a serious, delicate, and in fact complicated condition. But thank God, police don't arrest her. Even though no be even enough this thing, because if na me, this man need more than arrest. Leave am. Just imagine, my people, the foolish and heartless human being. I don't understand. Some people get mind though. You enter person papa house. You leave your house. If na their house, now this thing happen. No, na bad thing, but the gravity, no gravity, the way gravity like now. You don't understand wetin we dey talk. You chase the woman comot. You go in father house, you still go meet am for in father house, say you wan kill her. Wetin this woman do? No, you know understand? I don't dey think since. What can this woman do to warrant? You understand? I dey try think. Cheating self is too. I don't understand. Even if person cheat, e no reach this thing. Even if this woman cheat, lie, abeg, may nobody even tell me that one. Wetin? No be you born this woman. She get parents, and you no even get respect to that extent. You no even consider say, okay, this woman parents dey there. Na only arrest. Una still see say una go arrest this man. Person go die only in the name of marriage. Person go die only in the name of husband. People wey no get husband, they cry, they pray up and down for husband. Those wey can't get now, they still enter trouble inside. E be like say they go also mistakenly pour this man acid. No, I just dey think, I no talk anything, because some people now people, imagine if this thing now come become law. Imagine say now law say anything wey you do, like we dey talk about criminal things now, anything wey you do now like that, they go also do you. Just imagine. See, people go stop some kind things because the fear alone say, if I rape this person now, they go rape me. That fear go live inside them. Before they go do something, they go start to think, okay, make I do this one, make I know. You understand? Obviously, this our generation. Conscience don't finish. No conscience. The people before, if man even want beat his wife, before they fear. If man want do something, before they fear. Now, everybody just, you don't understand, we they live in this kind of world, this I don't care world. Everybody just they do the work. You don't send this woman away. He no do you. You send her away, he no do you. Whether she cheated or whether you are which I bet, maybe person just tell me which other crime woman feel do. Because this woman not sure say she keep person. Send her away. Even if you no love her again, acid. Hey, Chineke me. I just dey pray say this woman will survive. My people, you don't understand. For bathroom, so una suppose no say she been there naked. So imagine, just imagine this thing now. I pray say she survive, because if this woman no survive, this man too must not survive. Yes. How you go take person life? See, nowadays everybody just they take law into their own hands. Everybody has become judge. Everybody is now police. Everybody, in fact, no arrest this man again. May they not just arrest him. So that you go know how it feels. Bros, they're supposed to give you the taste of this same medicine when you give this woman. So that you yourself, in your next word, before you do something, you go think. Even if this woman offend you to the highest order, she get family. So why not report to the parents? Why not report to the parents? Or at least involve police. If worse come to worse, make police enter inside the matter. You just go carry. Hey, now wow, my people born for here. Una go still know wetin the woman do, because we still there on the matter. But I no fit wait. I say I go bring and come on our side as it dey hot. My fellow Ghanaians, yes, now from this one, in fact, now from una side I bring this one. So I beg anybody wey get idea of wetin this woman do, you fit start dey tell us ahead of time. But if not, my people, now for here una go stay here the latest update. Yes, una go soon get new presenter for this platform. So make una get ready, and I go give una a tip of who the person be from Southeast State. So guess who? And drop her for that comment section. Still drop the comment for this massive story, because we need know wetin happen and wetin you think concerning this matter. Why not share this video? Our fellow Ghanaians, I beg, make una share this video, make everybody know wetin dey happen as e dey hot, and click on that notification bell too. If not, you go miss interesting matters like this one. Stay tuned for our next story.